In this video, you will learn about the elements of a business model that are important to run a GDM water kiosk enterprise sustainably. You will be introduced to the business model canvas, which can facilitate the smooth management and planning of your business.
Operating a GDM treatment and water kiosk sustainably is a complex undertaking. Apart from the GDM treatment, there are other aspects to consider to make the operation of your water kiosk successful.
A GDM water kiosk enterprise can be managed by the local community, by a private enterprise, or by a government organization. In practice, mixed forms of management also exist. Each of these models has its advantages and limitations.
A business model is used to assess the financial facility of the water kiosk. Financial sustainability is key to maintain GDM system. The GDM system needs to generate enough revenues to cover its operation and maintenance expenses.
The business model canvas by Osterwalder and Pigner offers a great concept to systematically plan and manage the business. It outlines the most important elements that are required to smoothly run the business, and it helps to identify areas where business management can be improved. The value proposition is the key element of the business model canvas. It defines what value is provided to customers. For the business model canvas example of the GDM water kiosks in Uganda, the value proposition is the provision of easily accessible, safe drinking water at a fair price. In the canvas, you will define which activities and products your water business offers. You think about the current and potential revenue streams, such as the sale of water per use or per monthly subscription, and how much income can be generated therewith. To understand if your business runs viably, you need to plan the cost, for example, expenses for salaries, repairs, or promotional activities. Expenses will be deducted from the income generated. To be able to plan your sales and define your promotional activities, you need to know who your customers are. Are you already reaching all your potential customers? What kind of channels can be used to promote safe water to potential customers? For example, customers could be reached through household or community trainings or via promotional materials. It is important to think about who your partners and suppliers are. These could be local technicians for repairs or suppliers for materials required. Key resources for your activities and how you plan to establish a strong relationship with your customers are also outlined in the business model canvas. This video has taught you that careful business planning, which includes a well-defined business model, is essential for financial success. You have been introduced to the business model canvas, a tool to plan and outline different elements of your business model. Understanding which factors influence your business is an important first step in creating a successful business.